moments, we'd like to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-700. To properly fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle to unfasten the zip on the buckle and it will release. Your seatbelt should be worn tight low across the hips. We're equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 aft exit doors. The location of each exit is clearly marked with a sign overhead. Lights on the floor of the aisle indicate exit. A safety information card may be found in the seat back pocket in front of you. Please read it before you need it. In the event of a water evacuation, please use the life vest located under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Open the container, remove the pouch, open the pouch, remove the vest, and place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull it tight. Once outside the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab. To manually inflate, blow into the tube located at your shoulder. Once again, please check to make sure those seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and long positions, and all carry-on items are placed completely underneath the seat in front of you. The all way around your feet must be completely clear. And ladies and gentlemen, we have 2 rafts on board. They're up in the ceiling, one front and one back. We will not be playing with those today. Once again, please check to make sure those seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in full upright and long positions, and all carry-on items are once again all the way underneath that seat in front of you. This flight will be a non-smoking flight. Smoking is never allowed in an aircraft lavatory. Federal law forbids tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking. And just a reminder, the use of electronic cigarettes or electronic cigars is never permitted on board. We'd like to brief you on the use of the oxygen system. Although we don't anticipate a change in cabin pressure should it occur, the oxygen mask will drop in the compartment overhead. Immediately pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended, as this activates the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. The mask may be secured with the elastic strap. Please be aware the bag may not inflate. For those of you traveling with children or someone else who may require assistance, please secure yourself first, then assist the child or their passenger. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. Finally, sit back, relax, enjoy your scheduled 3-hour and 35-minute flight to Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. We will be dimming those cabin lights in preparation for takeoff should you need additional lighting. Please use the lights on the passenger service unit located above your seat.
This one I think will be fast.
He said we're gonna take like 3 hours and 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Get there 8:50.
But with their time it will be 6:15 because it's before us by 2 hours.